Welcome to day 2. For today's snack, I wanted to share with you some easy candy apples. You need Granny Smith apples, caramel sauce, candy corn, treat sticks, and wax paper. Remove the stems from the apples and put them in the refrigerator for 4 hours. Cover the dish with wax paper. Insert a stick into the bottom of each apple. Microwave the caramel sauce for 1 to 2 minutes and make sure to stir the sauce well. Once the sauce is melted, dip and roll each apple into the sauce, ensuring that the apple is well coated. Do one apple at a time and be sure to hold the apple over the sauce to catch any runoff. Start placing your candy corn on your apple. Once all of your apples are coated, place them in the refrigerator for 1 hour to allow the caramel to get firm. These will make for the perfect afternoon snack. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.